If I was gonna dress up as a big fat black woman, I feel like it would be in here and be like, hello.
Virginia is for Grubbers. We are
go.
back again with another Old Fashioned Friday, and today I have a special guest.
Davey Jones, I'm in the Bourbon Room. It's like amazing in here.
My guy.
It's like, seriously, I feel like I'm in Tyler Perry's studio. Like, I've never been to Tyler Perry's studio, but if I was gonna dress up as a big fat black woman, I feel like it would be in here and be like, hello, like this is it. This is like official.
Yeah, that's what we were going for actually. So I'm glad to hear that. You might recognize Davey from 1, 2, or like 30 other Old Fashioned Fridays. Lost Fox, One Louden's own DJ, not just One Louden everywhere, but you know, you can catch him at Lost Fox most nights. Today we're gonna do, what are we gonna do, dog?
Bulleit's Old Fashioned. It's a pre-made cocktail. It says best enjoy over ice. So I think we're gonna just drink it straight with some ice cubes.
Yeah, so I got this as a gift for my birthday from Big Al. Shout out Big Al.
Big Al, Philly.
And yeah, I mean, I'm all about the premixes now. I'm so curious to find one that can really knock it out of the park. Again, this is made by Bulleit. Price point of $30. And as you can see, it's a hefty size. Huge. Some of them, literally, it's just one Old Fashioned. Maybe you get like 2 out of them. This, you get 17 Old Fashions.
That's crazy.
Price point of $30.
It's the MAGNUM. It's the big boy. I can see why Al would get you something like that. Get you like, yo, go big or go home.
So 17 Old Fashions, price point of $30, literally less than $2 per Old Fashioned. I think out of all the pre-made, well, actually all the Old Fashions, restaurant, outside restaurants, pre-made, as far as the price point is concerned, this, you're getting the most bang for your buck. So even if it's absolutely shit.
It's hood Old Fashioned, $2 Old Fashioned, you can't beat that. This is no happy hour.
This is the 40 of Old Fashions right here, dog.
Just drink it straight.
All right, so it says best enjoyed straight up or over ice. I don't think it's gonna be good straight up, but they did recommend it, so I'm gonna give it a whirl straight up. Then we're gonna do one with ice.
Let's do it. That's got child safety on there. I feel like you should smell the cap though. You gotta like, you know, like see it pop.
Like a wine. I mean, it smells spicy.
It smells a little fermented, but you know.
It
smells like.
Let's do a small taste, neat, and then we'll throw some ice in there. All right. Bulleit Old Fashioned. Doesn't say to shake it or anything like that, so we didn't shake it. I don't know, but
me. Not bad. It's
actually
a little burn. Oh, I feel it. Yeah,
it's got some.
There it is.
Right there in the heart.
Right there.
Just hit me too.
It's like smooth, but then it like has a little punch.
It did go down smooth, but
like,
literally like 3-4 seconds later.
But I think I could sip this without ice, actually. I mean, if I'm just like posted up on the corner, like I can take that to the head, just swig, put it in a brown paper bag, like you're good to go.
I thought it was gonna be way worse, neat, and it actually wasn't that bad. So now I'm kind of excited to try it. It says 1.5 ounces is the recommended. That's about 1.5 ounces.
Let's go.
It's got to be close, right?
Looks good.
All right, so with the pre-made Old Fashions, we do 3 ratings. We do 0 through 2 on overall appearance, packaging, marketing, etc. 0 through 4 on first sip and overall taste. So let's jump into this bottle. What do you think? 0 through 2. Explain your thoughts.
It's pretty big. They went with an interesting burnt orange color, which I don't know. Maybe it's going for the old-fashioned look.
Yeah.
So honestly, probably like a 1.5. I do like the big hand. You know, you know, you can.
And
it's a man's bottle.
Yeah, I think you should either like it should be like this size or the really really mini ones that you can kind of carry on an airplane. I don't know about the in between that, but yeah, I'm gonna stick with the same 1.5. Now we're using clarified ice.
Look at that, it's clear.
At my house, we have our own clarified ice system now, compliments of Ross. So clarified ice. So this is not gonna melt or dilute too fast, but it is gonna chill a little bit, and then we'll give it a first sip, dog.
Let's go. I do like the color. I was very afraid. Normally when they like hide, you know, the alcohol, I thought it was gonna be like a dark, murky color, but it's actually a nice color. So I feel like they should have went with more of a clear bottle so you could see it. But
note, Bulleit.
Let's go. It's actually really good.
Okay.
Smooth.
It's good. So a lot of these taste fairly similar to me now that I'm doing the pre-made ones.
Yeah.
So it tastes similar to some other ones that I've had.
Yeah, the ice definitely chilled the burn out a little bit.
100%.
So yeah, I can pound these out.
Yeah, so if you like it spicy, drink it neat, and if you don't want the spice, throw an ice cube in it, preferably a clarified giant ice cube. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely good. It didn't like blow my, my socks off, but it's there's nothing wrong with it.
It's better than the ones I would have at a dive bar.
Oh, for sure.
Or at
for
a hotel.
For
like,
sure. Yeah, hands down. 0 through 4. What do you got on that?
I'll give it a 3. It's pretty smooth.
Okay. I'm going to go 2.7, and then here we go on overall. I don't know that it's going to change too much, but we'll see.
Again, it's still smooth.
Yeah.
It's really smooth.
If you're just getting into drinking old fashions and you're like, man, I'm trying to make them at home, they're not great. Or if, let's say you're having a big party and you're like, I just want to bang out a bunch of old fashions.
And I don't really care about these people, so at a $2 price point, but like, yo, they won't even know for $2, yo, $2 a glass, yo, have that party, hook them up, they won't even know.
Yeah, you could buy like a case of these, and you could have old fashions.
Or just wait till they're really drunk, and then you pull that out, they won't even know. This is good.
What I was gonna say though, like if you're getting into old fashions, I feel like this is a nice little kind of like a warm up to get into them. But yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick to my same rating. It's 3, it's overall good. It's basic, it's your basic B of old fashions. That's right here.
So a 7.5 for you. I'm probably gonna stick to the same again. The consistency is not changing. I mean, unless we had like shitty ice cubes or something like that, that would be the only difference that would change it. But it's pretty much the same.
And probably once you turn off the camera, I'll probably have at least another 2 or 3 more.
then we'll give you we'll give you his rating then.
I'll give you the overall drunk rating.
Just drinking it straight out of the bottle. Yeah. The Bulleit.
Let's go.
Old Fashioned Cocktail. Virginia is for Grubbers. Anything else you want to say?
This guy's like a mathematician adding up these numbers because I was like, but yo, Virginia's for Grubbers. Let's go. Cheers.
My guy.